There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, sorry about the wobbly camera again. Last but not least, I picked this up real cheap. I haven't bought one of these in years. It's a tap and die set. Maximum, if I remember correctly, is a Canadian Tire brand, I think. And for those of you who don't know what the hell Canadian Tire is, it's a store we have in Canada. If you live in the US, well, too bad you're missing all the fun. Not really, it's a fucking store, sells all kinds of stuff. Yada yada yada. But they have some good tool deals. Mastercraft. Of course, the instructions are in French, and the English side is folded in the back side. Tap and die set. So I picked up this at the pawn shop for 40 bucks. It doesn't look like it's been used. Actually, this one looks like it's used. It looks like one of them's been used, that's it. The rest seem to be in fair shape. There's a tap thread gauge. They don't give you any finger space in here to get these things out of here. Like what? It's got the handles. They don't make these things very nice anymore. Like you look at all those old Starrett ones like this, they all look nice and cool looking shit. And nope, not these days. Nope. It's like nothing's made cool. There's the little hand tap. Oh, it's missing the little bar here. Missing the little bar for the hand tap. That's no big deal. That can be fixed. But I got a whole set of taps here. I needed some because this Wilton Vice right here, I want to tap 2 holes and put some screws in there. Or bolts or whatever. And as soon as I figure out what I'm doing, I will try to tap that. Because I'm not an expert at tapping. I've tapped all of like probably 3 bolts in my life, and I've cleared out a lot of threads using these things with cleaning threads out, but I'm not an expert tapper. Plus, the good part about what I like about this is it has a lot of the where is it here? Like these things, the tap goes right to the end, so you can tap deep, whereas these ones don't. Plus, I got some giant ones. I don't have any taps this size. The big ass ones. What is this? 5/8. So I have metric and standard, I think, in here. Yeah, M16, 1.5 to 1. M14, M12. It's pretty good. Anyway, it is what it is. What I got, it was cheap. The regular price, I know these things, regular price are over 100 bucks. And the last time I bought a tap and die set like this, I think I paid like $69 brand new, like 15 years ago. And I looked at the prices recently, and I'm like, holy frick, man. They are ridiculously expensive. But I mean, prices have gone up in the last bazillion years. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And enjoy. Hope you like the channel.